Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's go ahead and look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. September 25th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn about letters and sounds. Next, we will read a poem. Then, we will describe the relationship between the illustrations and text. After that, we will use nouns in sentences. Last, we will do literacy centers. Love Miss Joyner. All right, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain understands the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I notice the month is spelled with the capital letter S, then E-P-T, period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said September, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter S to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, we're going to continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. September 25th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Notice the capital letter T that starts the sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family, and we do that every single day. Working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And each day at school, we're working hard learning how to be a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening, mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, readers, at this time we're going to go through the transitional words and phrases that good readers and writers use when putting the events of a story in order from beginning to end. Are you ready, readers? Okay, say the words together. First, next, then, after that, last. First, we will learn about letters and sounds. Oh, we will. And we're going to use so many resources. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your alphabet chart today to help us to review letters, sounds, pictures to match that letter, and American Sign Language, starting with A, apple, all the way down to Z, zipper. In addition to this, we have a lot of other things to help us to pump our brains with knowledge. Shout out to some YouTube channels that we'll use throughout the school day. Jack Hartman's, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, and Hopscotch. We also have some subscriptions. We're very grateful for Benchmark Advance, Lexia, Schoology, Brain Pop Jr., and Mayan. Thank you for all those electronic resources as well as the hands-on things in person and teachers to help us learn at school in kindergarten. Next, we will read a poem. We will be reading a poem today at school. And when we read the poem, we are going to be reading the poem that's called dun, 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 Soil, Water, Air, and Light. We'll be reading this poem today at school. And this poem is going to be in our Build Reading Foundations big book, And we have the electronic version online. Remember, when we look at this, we're going to go ahead first and find the book and look at the table of contents and find where it says soil, water, air, and light. And we can see the page number is page 6. Remember, good readers use different text features when reading nonfiction text. The table of contents helps us to find what's listed within the text and the page that it's on. So we'll be looking at that poem today at school, and then we will describe the relationship between the illustrations and the text. We will. And prior to doing that, remember, for topic 1, plants and animals have needs. We've been thinking about the essential question, why do living things have different needs? We've learned a lot about animals, and we're now learning about plants. And we are going to be looking at this nonfiction text, what do plants need? We are going to be rereading some of the text from yesterday, and we're going to go ahead and check out some more chapters. We're going to look at the table of contents, and we're going to reread some things. The words to think about, the introduction. We have chapter 1, plants need water, and we have chapters 2 and 3. Plants need air and light, and plants need space. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to be looking at that and seeing how those illustrations, the photographs in there, remember, taken with pictures, how they match the text. And here are some special words to think about. Remember, important vocabulary words are in dark, bold print. Good readers know how to use nonfiction text features when reading a text. After that, we'll use nouns and sentences. We know nouns, a person, place, or thing. We're going to go ahead and we're going to use nouns in sentences. And last, we will do literacy centers. We will. Remember, you're going to use the 5 pre-writing strokes all day long. We have up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. In addition to the 5 pre-writing strokes that good writers use to write letters, numbers, and draw pictures, we're also going to go on our iPad for Lexia Core 5 reading program. You have books to read at the library, teachers to meet with, and you know it when your name is called. Dun dun dun! VKRP, Virginia Kindergarten Readiness Program. When your name is called, come on over. Share what you know with Bear and his friends as you are asked questions today at school in kindergarten. Remember, you're going to be a great communicator all day long. It's going to be a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today is a do you like question. Do you like basketball? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share your reason why. Do you like basketball?